Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Ever wondered how computers became smart enough to talk, create art, and solve complex problems? Today, artificial intelligence feels like magic, but its journey actually spans several decades of scientific breakthroughs, high hopes, and times when progress completely froze. The official story of artificial intelligence began in 1956 at the Dartmouth Workshop. A group of visionary scientists gathered to explore if machines could simulate human intelligence. It was at this workshop that scientist John McCarthy officially coined the term artificial intelligence. In the beginning, optimism was sky-high. However, early computers were slow, expensive, and had strict limits. When big promises weren't met quickly enough, funding dried up and interest cooled down. These periods of slowdown are known as AI winters, occurring notably in the 1970s and late 1980s. Towards the late 20th century, scientists made a crucial pivot. Instead of writing strict, hard-coded rules for computers, known as symbolic AI, they began teaching computers how to learn from data. This was the rise of modern machine learning. This new approach led to legendary milestones. In 1997, IBM's supercomputer Deep Blue made global headlines by defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It showed the world that computer logic could outmatch human strategy in complex games. Fast forward to 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, a master of the ancient game of Go. Because Go has more possible moves than atoms in the universe, AlphaGo used deep neural networks to learn patterns, proving AI could solve problems once thought impossible. Today, educators at places like the Computer History Museum use these historic milestones to show how early computer logic evolved into modern smart technology. Our current AI boom isn't magic, it's the result of decades of foundational research combined with big data and powerful computing hardware like GPUs. From a small summer workshop in 1956 to tools that power our daily lives, AI has come a long way. What part of AI history surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech explained simply. Please subscribe, like and share, thank you.